Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 10th lesson of D3, chapter number 8, exercise 8C. In this lesson, we will be discussing about ambiguous case, SSA of sign law. What is ambiguous case? How to identify ambiguous case? And what are the special observations about ambiguous case? These are the points which you have to understand during this lesson because this is one of the important concepts of CA examination. Coming to the question that what is ambiguous case? Ambiguous case is the set of given information that will give two possible sets of the solution. Okay, and then coming to the question that how to decide its ambiguous case. The ambiguous case side-side angle occurs when we are given two sides and angle opposite one of these given sides. This case may result in one triangle, two triangles, or even no triangle. Okay, if we look at this situation, we can see that we are given with two sides. One is 9.5 and other is 7.5, and the angle which is given to us is not the included angle of these two sides. So when after drawing and sketching the figure, you are getting this situation, you have to be extra careful that how to solve this type of situation. Then there are some special observations about the ambiguous case. That what to observe for the ambiguous case. Ambiguous case will occur if two sides and non-included angle are given. The given angle is acute, and if the given angle is acute and side opposite to the given angle is less than other given side. If we look at this situation, we can see that two sides and non-included angle, we are given with these two sides, but angle is not given with the angle which is including these two sides. Secondly, the sides given angle is acute. This angle is acute, and the side which is in front of this acute angle which is given to us is less than other given side. So this will be the ambiguous case. Okay, and now when we have decided that this is the ambiguous case, how to decide that this is not the ambiguous case, or we will have one definite solution. A non-ambiguous case will occur if the given angle is obtuse and the side opposite to the given angle is greater than other given side. In this lesson, I'm just giving you the observations, the points which will be helping you in identification of ambiguous or non-ambiguous cases when you are solving the oblique triangle with the help of sign law. Coming to the question that how many solutions or triangles are possible in case of ambiguous case. For the understanding of this question, you have to catch me in the next class. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.